Welcome guys in this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete contact on Telegram. And now open your Telegram and then click to this three line and open to your contact list. Okay, so now I'm going to delete the first my contact and click on that. Click on this three dot and in here you can see what you want to do. Okay, view profile or delete chat or clear history. So now I'm going to delete my contact and delete and delete. Okay, so let's see the contact is still in here or not. As you can see now my contact is no longer in here. This is how to delete your contact and Telegram. How to add in your friend by username on Telegram desktop. So first I'm going to mention you that you can add your friend by username that your friend already have a username. If your friend doesn't have username, you can add him on Telegram. So now I'm going to show you how which my friend have a username and which one of them doesn't have a username. So let's see my first contact. I have a username or not. Click to this three dot and go to the view profile. As you can see, she doesn't have a username. Okay, so nobody can add by username. Okay, let's see the next my contact. So I'm going to see profile of this my contact. So you can see that this my contact have a username. Okay, so now you can add him. If you want to know how to create a username, you can watch my video that I put the link on the description below. Okay, so now let's see how to add. Let's search in the search bar. Now if you search, as you can see his name is appear in here. Okay, you can. So let's see my Telegram account. Okay, LC Telegram is the username of my Telegram account. As you can see now, if I write my LC Telegram, my account appear in here. This is how to add your friend by username and Telegram. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.